Let me give you an easy example, something I've done. I recently got a puppy, and it's been a while since I've trained and had a puppy to raise. So I went to YouTube and I Googled questions like how to crate train your puppy. Very easy. I found 2 or 3 different dog trainers on there, and they all gave me really great tips. I wrote them down. I've already been utilizing them. And in each of those, they gave me an opportunity to learn more. So I subscribed because I know I'm going to be coming back for every stage of puppyhood. And as I'm learning from these channels, they're offering a lot of advice, a lot of different things. They've grown a business where they can, number one, make money on YouTube because of ad revenue. I'm one of hundreds of thousands of their subscribers, which they grow indefinitely. You don't have to think of YouTube as temporary. This is something you should probably be growing with your business year after year. Some of these channels, it takes a little bit of time to really grow to a revenue state as far as ads. So what you can do is monetize your marketing right away. And that's something we talk about in other videos.